Unicorn pictures and artifacts appear in many different countries and civilizations, such as France, China, Greece, India, and Iraq. Some say unicorns represent grace and purity and they fight rivals. Others depict them as evil vicious animals with long horns that are used to stab their enemies with. A unicorn company in the finance term, on the other hand, is a startup company that has reached a $1 billion valuation and not even listed on a public exchange yet. The term was originally coined in 2013 by venture capitalist Aileen Lee, the founder of Cowboy Venture. She used the term unicorns to describe how rare those companies are. As of today, there are over 1,000 unicorn companies in the world. But unicorns weren't really as common as they were before the pandemic. In 2021, there were only like 300-something startup businesses that reached unicorn status. There are more unicorns now than in the previous 5 years combined. How did we get to 1,000 unicorns? Let's take a closer look. The interest rates in the past couple of years was so low. There was free money everywhere and investors trying to find a good place to park their money. Venture capital firms started to rise and it resulted in so much investment activities. So the unicorn population started to boom. These are some of the known unicorns. They don't just meet the definition, they're blown out of the water. Some of them have valuations as high as like 30 billion US. That's one heck of an impressive valuation for any company, let alone one that hasn't even gone public yet. See you in the next video.